Hello, another review of a razor. We've not done one for a while. Going backwards or going forwards, because the last one we had was a two-blader from Gillette. And this one is a Mach 3, what's it called? Start blade. Very cheap, less than £3. Only 3 blades on it. Now the thing about 3 blades is, I'm not convinced that 3 blades is a way forward. I'm also not convinced that I can get into this packaging either very easily. Even though it was only £2.40, £2.50, something like that in Asda, it had one of them tags on it. I'm like, really? So, there's only one way to get in this, and that's use my little pokey stick thing. So I've got the tap running, so I get the water nice and hot. As I puncture. Right. Should be able to get into it now, he says. So now the Gillette Sensitive, the 2-blade one, is a really good razor, not a blazer. Blazer's something you wear. Right, we're in. Oh, the handle's weird. Oh, the handle, I don't know if you can see that now, but the handle's like, yeah you can see it there at the bottom. It's like a plastic gel. That feels weird. Is it balanced though, that's the question. Anyway, what's it saying? 360 Aqua Grip. There you go, so 360 Aqua Grip. Is it balanced? There's one way to find out. There you go, so it is a balanced razor. And as we've said already, it's only a 3-blader. There's a lube strip on it as well. Let me get the thing off. There we go. So there you go, 3 blades, lube at the top, rubber at the bottom. The rubber is to stretch your skin. Now the rubber was in the middle of the other one, wasn't it? Anyway, shaving tips as normal. Wash your face with the hottest water you can get on your face without scalding yourself. So what that does is, it makes the bristles, as you can see I've got quite a bit of bristle today, makes them softer. So, it's easy for the blade. The blade's got to be hot as well, so keep the blade in the plug hole of the sink. Still using the Nivea Men Shave Gel, which I got for the other razor that wasn't very good. It didn't really make a huge amount of difference, to be fair. I keep looking at the camera rather than looking at the mirror, where it's much easier looking at the mirror because there isn't a delay and it's not mirrored. Although it is mirrored. That's a just blew my mind then. I'm looking in the mirror because it's not mirrored, but a mirror is a mirror, so it's mirrored. Anyway, not many strokes, otherwise you clog up your blade. You can see through the blade there. So if you do too many strokes, then it'll clog it up, and then you'll start, not being well. So no pressure whatsoever. Just rub it down the face. Right, 3 strokes then, but they weren't very big ones. No, I'm not pressing at all. I'm just running it over the face very lightly. And I'm looking in the mirror now. This, let's be honest, is better. But I'm not like going, Arr. You're not scraping, I've said this before I know, but you're not scraping barnacles off a bolt. You're not scraping burn off a pan. You're wiping a few bristles off your face. Right, that didn't feel good. Oh yeah. Right, as you can see now, looking a lot better. Rub your fingers over them. Now, if I push up where I went with the thing, apart from there, I can't feel anything, but when I pull down, you can feel a few bristles, particularly around the neck line. So what you do is, just gently, no pressure, go down over that neckline. Can't feel anything now either side. Quick bright. Right, that's up there a bit, up there a bit. And there you go. There's something there as well, I don't know what's there. Right, it's just the last few little scrags. Right. Well, there you go then. That's pretty good. Can't help being ugly. You can't change that with a razor blade. But what you can do is, you can certainly get the water off you. Tell that I've had a shave, and that is a much better shave than the last few I used, which were the disposable ones and the ones from Sainsbury's. I'm not saying it's better than the sensitive one that they've advertised on the telly recently, but for the price, it's very good value. So it's less than £3. You get the full razor, special offer at Asda, full razor. The handle's weird, but look at that, it's still see through it there. So yeah, I like this. The value for money, it's got to be a 10 out of 10. And the shave, yeah, it's all right. For the value for money, I give it 9 out of 10. So there you go. I'm surprised. Gillette Mach 3 Start. It's actually rather good. See you next time. Bye.